Hello and welcome to Easy Step Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this Coca-Cola cake. It's a really easy recipe and very tasty also. So now let's go to watch the ingredients, this and the recipe. Thanks. Okay, so before we start, please thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. And now we will start the recipe. So, to start, we will sift the flour and also the yeast. I will put also the cocoa powder. Okay, ready. Now I will add the sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar, it's the same. A little bit of salt. The orange juice, the sunflower oil, we mix very good, and now the rum, and the Coca-Cola. Mix everything very good, very well, like this. Now we add the 3 eggs and we mix again. Let's beat the mixture. Okay, and it's ready. Now we are going to prepare the mold and spread it with butter and also a little bit of flour, like this, so the cake doesn't stick. We need to have a preheated oven, 180 degrees. Put all the mixture in the mold and let's cook is the temperature. Okay, 180. Perfect, like this. We will cook for about 40-45 minutes. Until it's ready, like this. To make sure it is ready, we are going to click with a toothpick, and if it comes out dry, it means that the cake is ready. Now let's unmold and put on plate and enjoy this different and tasty cake, very easy to prepare. Okay, so remember, if you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you and see you next video.